Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm here at the farm, and as I talk, things are looking very good. Now we are making sure that we utilize all the available resources to the maximum. Now we made soil and we chose to make our poultry house using locally available resources, that is using mud and just the wood. So we were able to construct the whole building. As I talk, it is done. So what we were left with, extra soil or mud. So what we decided to do was to make bricks, and these bricks can be used for construction of structures in the future. As I talk, we have laid so far over 10,000 bricks, and we are still laying to be able to clear around the farm such that we can bring in our hens. We used the water that came from the iron sheets after we were able to collect it in the tank. So this has been very good, and the decision to bring in the tank was a brilliant decision. So let me just move you around the bricks and you see how everything is going on.
Faithful through the ages, God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say. Though the storms may come and the